In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Figma. Rotating objects is a fundamental skill in design software, and Figma offers several intuitive ways to achieve this, from precise numerical inputs to quick visual adjustments. Understanding these methods will significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to create more dynamic and visually appealing designs. Let's explore how you can easily rotate any object within your Figma canvas. Our first method involves using the right-hand properties panel. To begin, ensure the object or group of objects you wish to rotate is selected on your canvas. Then, locate the rotation field towards the bottom section of this panel. This field typically displays the object's current angle, usually starting at 0 degrees, and is identifiable by a small angle icon next to an input box. This specific area is your primary hub for making precise numerical rotation adjustments. Within this rotation field, Figma provides a convenient shortcut for common rotations. By clicking the rotation icon or the field itself, you might see an option to rotate 90 degrees. This is an incredibly handy one-click solution for quickly turning an object by a quarter turn clockwise. It's perfect for instantly reorienting icons, text blocks, or images that need a standard rotation without needing to manually type in the value. This method streamlines your workflow for those frequent, standard adjustments. Beyond the preset 90-degree option, you also have the flexibility to input any custom angle you require. Directly in that rotation field, simply click into the numerical input box and type your desired number. For example, if you need a 45-degree tilt for a design element, or a complete 180-degree flip to turn something upside down, you can directly enter 45 or 180. You can even use negative values, such as 445, to rotate an object counterclockwise. This manual input method offers absolute control over the rotation angle, which is essential for detailed design work where precise alignment is critical. For a more interactive and visual rotation experience, you can directly manipulate the object on your canvas. With your object still selected, hover your mouse cursor over one of its corner handles. You'll notice your cursor changes into a curved, double-sided arrow, indicating that you can now rotate the object. Simply click and drag your mouse around the object's center point for freeform rotation, providing instant visual feedback as you adjust the angle. A valuable tip here is to hold down the Shift key while dragging. This will constrain your rotation to fixed increments, usually 15-degree steps, offering controlled visual adjustments. This method is often preferred for quick compositional tweaks or when you simply want to eyeball an angle. So, whether you prefer the exactness of numerical input in the Properties panel, the convenience of a 90-degree shortcut, or the fluid control of direct canvas manipulation, Figma equips you with versatile tools for rotating any element. Experiment with each method to discover which ones best suit your current tasks and personal workflow. Mastering these rotation techniques will undoubtedly make your design process smoother and more efficient. Happy designing!